Alright, November 5th, it's about 2:30. This is some crazy weather for Northwest Ohio for rut time. It's the 5th, and it's 68 degrees. So 15-mile-an-hour winds coming out of the southwest. It's just completely non-typical for what we usually see around here. So walking back here, seen some footprints and then a cigarette butt. So never like that. Whoever's hunting it obviously doesn't care about scent control. And then actually just found their tree stand pretty close to where I want to go. Actually, yeah, so I scooted over about 50, 70 yards, and they got another tree stand right up there. Damn it! So they must be hunting this end pretty hard. With the wind conditions, I kind of got to stay down here. So, right, so after bumping into tree stands everywhere. I walked, I went down the property line, went all the way to the back corner, and found a tree to set up in. And you would not do this with a tree stand. This camera, we'll see what I got going on. So right at sunset, these two does come out of the thicket and work on the cut corn. But then this sunset, dude, look at that sunset. It's awesome.